AI is replacing jobs. Tech is moving stupid fast, and you are sitting here wondering if you wasted 4 years on a degree instead of getting hands-on experience. Well, hate to break it to you, the answer is probably yes. But the future doesn't have to look so dark. Here's the truth. Most people using ChatGPT today are just consumers. But the real money, that's in building the tech behind it. There's one thing that makes AI actually useful, and that's vector databases. If you understand this, you're not getting replaced. You're getting paid. Let me show you how to turn this into a six-figure skill so you can automate your work. LLMs like ChatGPT are smart, but they have zero memory. That's why AI can feel dumb sometimes. But companies are fixing this with vector databases. Vector databases give AI a brain. It's like an instant knowledge base that they can use for super useful info. And knowing how to use these, that's a six-figure skill right now. It's how you build AI-powered businesses that run on autopilot. And it's your way to stand out in the job market. You can literally build AI tools yourself instead of just watching AI take your job. If you want to make real money in AI, this is what you should focus on. Let me explain it in plain English. Okay, so what exactly is a vector database? So this is something everybody recognizes from grade school or your recent college course. So simple. Imagine every piece of content, voice notes, images, text, exist as a point in space. Vector databases store this information as vectors. Think of them as lists of numbers. So we got our vector, and then we have our embeddings, right? So these points in space, the text, images, pictures, these are our embeddings, right? Okay, so why does this matter? Because this is exactly how AI models like ChatGPT or DeepSeek understand the world. If you can offer these models a hyper-fast way to look up relevant data, boom, you just built a system that can answer questions faster than your professor can even open his email. And if your company or your own startup can do that, cha-ching. You're on your way to that big paycheck or the side business that pays you while you're asleep. Okay, so why not just use a regular database, right? So why not use a regular database? Sure, you can store your information in a regular database. Let's kind of draw it out here. So let's just say you have name. Let's just say this is a movie. Say it's a movie database, movie record database. Title. You got your let's say tags or something, and then let's just say what's it? Runtime. I don't know. Duration. Okay. So you got Avengers. So you got Avengers. I don't know, too long. And then you got an array of tags, right? So you have so many tags in here. You have like action. You have comedy because it's kind of funny, and then so on and so forth, right? And you have all these other entries in the database. So sure, you can use a normal database, but it's like trying to find a meaning behind a viral meme by using a spreadsheet. Or it's like trying to find the meaning of a movie by just using tags. You need endless tags or exact keyword matches on the summary of the movie or the title. It'll work very slow and it lacks the proper context. So with vector databases, instead you can search on the vibe or the meaning, not just keywords. Think of it this way. The Netflix feature where it says you may also like at the end of a movie or something, powered by vector databases. TikTok's scarily fast and accurate algorithm. Vector databases. AI customer service bots that don't suck all rely on vector search. This is why companies are paying big money for people who know how to build using this technology. Not this old technology, the new vector technology. AI is only as good as the data it can access, and vector databases make AI way smarter. Okay, this is cool and all, but let me kind of break it down and put things into perspective so you can know how you can make money. How? How to secure AI bag. So, question it out. How to secure the AI bag? Money sign, money sign, money sign. How to secure the AI bag. So, forget about just prompting ChatGPT and using AI. Let's talk about creating AI that works for you. If you want to automate the grind, potentially make some passive income, and flex on your resume, here's how. You can try building AI virtual assistants. AI VAs. You can try AI virtual assistants that work 24/7. Imagine your own AI assistant that schedules meetings, drafts emails, and even responds to social media DMs. Hook it up with a vector database so it can remember past convos and converse like a human. Now, offer it as a service. Busy CEOs, social media influencers, and sales teams will pay big to have AI handle their workflow. Okay. Google reminds you, AI task schedulers do it for you. Train an AI that schedules meetings, sets reminders, and even books flights based on users' preferences. Want to have voice commands? Now you've got an AI-powered personal assistant service that companies would kill for. So lastly, we can just call this like something very simple, an AI hustle bot. What if an AI booked appointments, responded to customers, and even posted content for your e-commerce store? Think blog posts and new products. Pair ChatGPT with a vector database so that it remembers past customer interactions and gets smarter over time. The ultimate boss move would be to stack all these ideas together into one single AI tool and then sell it as a service. So now you're hyped, you see the power in vector databases, and you're wondering how you can get started. Tech stack equals easy win. All right, so how do you actually start? So to get started with a vector database, there needs not be any setup, and it's just plug and play. Here's how. You can use tools like Chroma. You can use tools like Supabase, Vector Store, and you can also use tools like Pinecone. So this is to power your vector database. So I'm going to just call this the VDB. The VDB. So if you want some more granular control over your data, you want to keep like conversation logs, things of that nature, you probably want to use something like Postgres, which is a type of SQL, plus PG vector. And if you're going to build AI-powered apps, I would definitely recommend using a service called NAN. I like to call it NAN. Plus your favorite model, ChatGPT, or something similar. And something like LangChain to help orchestrate everything. Now I want you to try using this tech stack potentially. Take any content, YouTube transcripts, blog posts, client FAQs, build an AI tool that can instantly search that content. Boom, now you have a project you can show off and sell. Look, I'm gonna keep it 100. AI is coming for a lot of jobs. But if you're the one building the tools instead of just using them, you're miles ahead of the game. Learn vector databases, build one small project at a time, then flex it on LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. That's how you stand out. If you want more, no BS, high value tech breakdowns, hit subscribe. My next video will be me showing you how to build your own AI social media content manager. This will be your own personal AI agent that you can use on your resume, on your GitHub to flex your AI agent prowess. Now go off and secure the AI bag.